Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Voya 401k account. First, log in to your Voya account online or through the mobile app. Go to the section labeled Withdrawals or Distributions. Follow the prompts to start your withdrawal. Enter how much you want to withdraw and the reason for it. If needed, you can contact Voya's customer service by phone. They'll help guide you through the process and answer any questions. In some cases, you'll need to fill out a withdrawal form which can be found on Voya's website or requested directly. Choose your payment method, for example, direct deposit or check. If you're unsure about taxes or penalties, it's always a good idea to consult your financial advisor before withdrawing. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from your Voya 401k account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.